So for all the Sunshine screen protector film, so there's a free code charging time here. So once we get it, so it's like we can put it in the machine, and everyone is in the back, this one here, and also this one you can also find here. Just give you example, and for example for this one we scratch this and then we get all the code here. And there are two ways to recharge. One is on the front page of apps, so there's a recharge and it's quite simple. So you just need to scan it and redeem, so activate. That is quite simple. Also you can manually enter the serial number here. So they are same. It's like you can either scan it through here or enter annually through here. And there's also the function in the machine. So here when we go to setting, and we can see here increase cutting amount. So just click here, and we can do the same. So we enter the series number here and to here, and we can redeem. So simple and easy. And so this is, remember, when you got the film, so just put all the tabs on the machine.